Hello everybody, BNSF Lover here with
Crosse WI EAS.
Yes, go subscribe to his channel. I'll put a link to the description below. He's gonna help me out with his Reecom, he's gonna help me out because he has his Reecom right here. I just got my new one in the mail yesterday. So, yeah, he's gonna help me program it. So let's unbox this and then we'll set it up. Hard to do this one-handed.
Oh wait.
There she is. What else is in the box? Oh good, I do have a power adapter.
Yes, they do.
Okay. So, I'll get that over there. Oh, this thing looks awesome. I'll get this up. Okay. Wow, that's really light. Here she is. My new Reecom. R-1630. Okay. So, let's do this. Extend the antenna. And then, get this here. I'm going to set power. I set my phone down, so.
Yep.
Untie this here.
It says this has 200 hours of backup battery, so.
Okay.
Or whatever it is, 200. I don't know exactly, but I believe that's what it said.
That's what it said on Amazon.
So that might be good.
Yep. Okay. Okay. First, plug in. And then I'll put the batteries in. So, where's the plug in here?
There's the jack on the back right next to the antenna.
I found it. Okay, I'll get it on. Here we go.
Now what does your date say?
March 1st, 2010.
So yours is newer than mine, because mine says June 1st of 2008.
Okay.
So that's a good sign. You got a good one. Good
okay.
One.
So, I have to press program, right?
You hold down program.
Yes. Okay. Date, time.
Now, date and time, you hit enter.
And then use the volume.
Volume, and it will change. So, you can state the date and time if you want in your video, just so people know.
Okay. So it's, July 30th, 2019, July, and then enter.
With you.
Whoops. What did I do wrong here?
It's alright. You can't go backwards, so you have to, in order to change the date, you have to go, like, you changed the month to July, right?
Yes, but not the date.
Okay, go back into the settings, hit enter. Alright, so now you're on this. So now you have it set to July, right?
Yep.
Now hit the arrow once.
Okay.
Alright, now that. So then you can set it up to be July 30th. Whatever it is, I don't remember.
July 30th. It says it's Friday. Or because it's 2010.
Yes. So now you click it again and it goes down to the year. And that's where you change it to...
Hit enter or review?
You just hit the review forward button.
Okay.
And it will go down to the
date. And then... It's 2019. Okay, so then I hit enter because everything's right. Except the time.
The time, unless you want to change it, but you'd hit review again, that forward arrow, and then you would get the time.
Okay, so it's what? 2:14. So that's AM, so I'll go back here. I like how it doesn't have a beeper.
Yeah.
And then... Okay. 2:14, and then enter.
Yep.
Cool. And then...
You hit this arrow again, and you get to channel select.
And I know what to do for this. So then, enter.
Enter.
And then review?
Yeah.
Okay.
After mid-50s.
Okay.
Light winds becoming southeast around 5 miles an hour after midnight.
Enter. So then...
There is enter county.
Okay.
This is where you would enter your county code. Now there's all county codes. There is, you click the review to again and it's multiple, and then you click it again and it's only a single. My title is set up for La Crosse County.
Yeah, I want La Crosse. 055063.
Yep.
Right here.
Yeah.
So then... Program?
So you'd hit, once you get to here, you're on the same screen I am. You hit enter.
Okay.
And where are you at? Okay.
All county, multiple, single county.
So you hit review until you get to single if you want single county.
Okay, I got it.
Alright, now click enter. Then it'll ask you for a code.
So it's...
So when I do this, I'm going to do it with you. So then, see how it changes when I press the volume plus and minus?
Yeah.
And the review.
So I'll do. So it's... Whoops, I hit...
Yeah, there you go.
0... 05... 5...
0.
0...
6.
63.
Yeah.
Okay. Enter, right?
Oh, yep. Now, this is where you get to have fun. Alert mode.
Ooh. So then, alert mode.
Does it say disable or enable?
It says alert enable.
Alright, make sure you click, does it say voice or siren?
Voice. And that's what I want.
Yes. Alright, you're good there. Siren volume. This is where, yeah.
It gets loud.
It's not as loud as you'd think it to be, but you could press it and see where it's at.
Okay, so enter.
Yep. And it won't go right away until you press the plus or minus.
There. That works good.
Now, set event blocking. This is where you can shut things on and off.
Okay.
That's the next one.
Okay, set event blocking, yes. And then,
So,
whoops.
Enter. Hit enter.
Okay, required weekly test, I want that on.
And see how it's... So hit enter again, and it will pop up with the flashing alert disable. Hit the back arrow on the review.
Okay, that's what I want.
Now it's alert. Yep.
And then enter.
Yeah.
Required weekly, yeah. So
And
then
hit the next arrow and it goes to the next alert. And there's a lot of alerts. To do
yes,
that.
there are. I do want required monthly test, so alert this right here. Wait a second. It says required monthly test.
Yeah.
Single county alert. It's on alert disable.
So then you press enter again, and then you would enable it if you
Okay.
want.
And I do want...
In and out. Sometimes they test the station, and sometimes they don't, depending on the month.
Okay. So then enter. And then another one. Administrative message. Enter. Alert enable. Enter. Whoops. Press the wrong button. Avalanche watch. No, I don't want that because we don't... Well... Do I want avalanche watch?
Hardly ever do you see an avalanche watch, but
I'll keep it on there.
yeah.
So then...
Avalanche warning is that.
I'll keep it on there. Boil water warning, I want that on. And it says alert enable.
Yep, you're good there. Next one is the blizzard.
Do I want blizzard? Ugh.
We do get blizzard warnings every once in a while on the La Crosse station.
Yeah, we do. I'll do this. I don't have it on for the WR120, but I'll have it for the Reecom.
Yeah. The Reecom can be at volume, so at night you can turn it down
Yep.
before you go to
child abduction emergency. That's...
Depending on what you want, but I usually leave that disabled, but it's up to you. If you want it, you can put it on.
I do want it on, just because. You never know.
I can do it, I haven't had it on, so.
Yeah. Coastal flood watch, I'm just gonna keep that on because they never happen here. Coastal flood warning, let's just keep that on.
Dam watch.
Dam watch. I'll enable it. Dust storm warning, enable. Evacuation watch, I want that on, and it's already on.
And then flash flood.
Statement, or flash flood statement, advisory statement.
And then there's a flash flood watch.
Yeah. I might want to turn that off.
The flash flood watch?
Flash flood statement.
Okay. We don't hardly ever get those issued, but...
Yeah. Flash flood watch. I'll turn that off. I'm getting so good at it.
Yeah.
Flash flood warning, I do want on. Flood statement, I'll turn that off. Flood watch, do want that off. Flood warning, I want that on. Fire warning, I want that on. Flash freeze. I don't know if I want that on. Let's just turn it off. Freeze warning, I'll turn it off.
Watch is after that.
High wind watch, I don't know. I'll turn that off. High wind warning, I want that on. Hurricane statement. I'm just going to keep all the ones on that don't happen. National Informational Center, I want that on. Alert, it's on alert disabled, but I want that on.
And then there's also National Periodic Test, which, by the way, since I'm in this video, I'm going to explain to everyone, does happen in August.
Okay.
But I don't know if it's going to go over NOAA Weather Radio this time or not, but sometimes it does go off.
Okay. I've never heard that before. Cool. I'll keep that on. National Periodic Test, that's off and I want it on. National Audible Test, I want that on.
And then there's National Silent Test after that.
I'll take that. I'll put that on. Network Notification. I'll just turn that on.
Practice/demo.
I'll turn on. Power
outage.
Advisory. I'm gonna... I'll just keep it on. Special Marine warning. I want that on because you never get to hear those. Special weather statement. They don't have EAS for these a lot, right?
No, they don't issue tones for special weather statements because we just have so many of them, and people don't really need to know.
Yeah.
Because I hardly ever tone any of the statements
Yeah.
except for child abduction. Maybe every once in a while.
Yeah, I'll just keep that on just in case. Severe weather. Let's keep that on. Severe thunderstorm watch. Do I want that on? I'll turn it on.
Yeah.
Severe thunderstorm warning, I want that on. Tornado watch on. 911 telephone outage on. Tornado watch on. Or no, tropic, what?
That's a tropical storm watch, I think.
Let's keep it on. Winter storm watch. I want that off, just because.
And there's no warning.
Winter storm warning, let's keep that on. Wildfire watch, I'll keep it on. Unrecognized, I want that on, just in case. Whoops. Unrecognized watch on. Unrecognized statement on.
If you don't have good enough reception, one of these will go off.
Okay. Required weekly. Oh, we're back to where we started.
Yes, so we are done. Now.
Awesome.
The next setting in the menu, you can hit program again, and it will go back to the menu.
Okay.
You don't need alarm socket. That's only if you have a light. Now there's siren test. I will let you do the honors of this.
Okay.
It's after the IE game. Yep.
Yep.
Now you just press enter, and boom.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's about it. And you can test to make sure you're receiving well, which you probably are.
Yeah. Set alarm 1, set alarm 2, date, time. Okay.
Program. Again, and it goes to the main screen. There you go.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you to the Crosse WI EAS for helping me out. He's helped me out with my scanner. So I'll put a link in the description to his channel. And yeah, this was fun. We got this set up here. So yeah.